Hello guys, today I'm gonna do another video and talk about the detail about this high-speed car right here. I'm pretty sure you guys saw this kind of setting on the YouTube or either on the Facebook or anywhere, mini four-wheel drive, whatever organization or association or any kind of like Facebook group. And this kind of style they call the Japanese FRP car. Basically, it is a type of idea Japanese people when they build a high-speed car in order to make it fast. So what they do is like to reduce the weight. So they cut off all the plastic part, as you can see right here, the front bumper and the rear bumper right here, replaced with all the carbon fiber, including the battery compartment right here. It's completely cut off, and supporting the whole battery compartment within these two carbon fiber pieces right here. So all the battery compartment support and the front and rear bumper support, that's actually, it's reinforced the whole car. It makes it stronger. The idea of this kind of car is like basically you just try to lose weight and do better reinforce on transmission. So let's see first here. We have a scale right here. Let's see how much weight it is right now. Here's everything, including the body, all the gear, transmission, and the motor, and the total weight. You can see here actually it's around 84.18 grams. If with battery, I'm gonna put a 2 Neo Champ onto it. With 2 Neo Champ battery right here, it's gonna be total around 120 grams. Okay, let's remove it right now. Okay, okay, for high-speed car, actually, it's everybody has almost like the same setting, and they're using this kind of roller called AOA 30, which is like 8mm diameter, and the inner hole was around like 3mm. And according to Tamiya regulation, you only can have 6 roller maximum. And so it's basically sitting almost same. Most people, they have a 2 roller in the front and 4 roller on the back. So, but you know, on the high speed, for sure, if you only have 2 roller on the front, you're definitely gonna fly off. So in order to stay on the track, what you're gonna have is right here. Let me give you a better angle right here. Right here, you can see, hold on, let me focus a little bit. Right here, this is called a stabilizer. So what the stabilizer do is to preventing your car to flip over, and the stabilizer always about 1mm smaller than the roller. So let me bring the truck right here to give you a demonstration. And what's the stabilizer they do is, and doing it's not gonna be nothing gonna to do with straight. So during the corner, actually, because the corner your car gonna be whatever turns, so outside to this way or either whatever turn this way, so your car actually have really a tough or either sharp turn on the whatever side they turn. So the car, if it turns this way, so your car gonna be like this. So if you don't have stabilizer, what gonna happen is your car gonna be flip over like this all the way, and its ends will flies off. So if you do have stabilizer right here, what's gonna happen is like it's gonna be give you a supporting on the top. So when your car making a turn, it's gonna be like this. You can see it giving you supporting because it's gonna be hitting the wall right here, and it's gonna touch it, and actually it's preventing your car to over flipping. So including the bottom side right here and those like the bottom, the screws right here. You better be all your car sitting, all the screw right here. It's better to have that as low as you can. Recommend like around like 3 millimeter away from the ground. So in this case, this also can help you to prevent your car flip over. So what this gonna do is like during high speed, if your car try to flip over, so that part is gonna be, you see, actually gonna be touching the track right here. So see right here, your car cannot, no way your car can like flip over more. Next one, we're gonna talking about transmission, and the transmission is the most important part of the high-speed car. Because the better transmission you have and less friction, less resistance you have, that's how fast you can push your car to the limit or either to the maximum. So this car here, what I'm doing right here, let me show you. You can see, let me give you a better angle right here. Okay, you can see the little plastic whatever tube right here, and either and also have on the other side right here, it's hard to see, but it has exactly same white plastic tube on the both sides. So that part is gonna help you. Actually that's AT pinning gear. So what I do is like I cutting the T off, and trim a little bit, makes like really small, and insert into axle right here. And what that gonna do is like so I gonna insert that on both sides to actually to holding the gear, which is this one right here, the pink gear, and holding it. Because let me tell you, actually on the original gearbox, if you don't have that kind of setting, what's gonna happen is like this pink gear right here gonna like when on the high speed, when it spins, this pink gear right here is gonna be like move like left and right because there's no supporting on it. So it's gonna be keep like a touching right here or either here. It's create a lot of resistance, and it's just like slowing down because the gear not really stabilizer on the shaft. Okay, so in this kind of setting right here, you have which means it's holding the gear, and it's stable the gear in the shaft to preventing it's moving around. Okay, the next one I'm gonna talk about is the Condor Gear I have right here. Let me clean a little bit. Okay, this Condor Gear right here, what I did is like I put a standard 520 ball bearing on one end, like the most people they did, and the other end actually I insert another one on the back, and to make it like you know it's like we call it 100% flowing system. So basically in this kind of setting, this gear actually can, as you can see right here, it's just like a spin really crazy, and it's no resistant at all. Okay, let's show you right here. See, it's really smooth. And the center, I'm using the 2mm hollow shaft. It's from the Super FM, the propeller shaft. So the reason I'm doing that because the standard the shaft for the gear actually it's 1.8 millimeter, which is like it's kind of like to vibrate. I mean, it's just like it's not really that stable. But by using this kind of setting, so you're right here. Let me show you. Your gear won't really move like it's really stable. Won't really move. See. Okay. So I'm gonna do a real quick test. Let me put on right here. You can see. So with this kind of setting, it just like make transmission real fast. Okay, that's how you improve your transmission, because the idea is like just make your gear it's all the gear including the pink one and the Condor Gear, just like make them work like really and smooth, and that's gonna improve a lot of speed. Next I'm gonna talk about tire and the wheels. On this car I'm using the 35 millimeter extra large diameter tire. It's a custom made, and what I do is like I double stacked 2 tires and glue them together, and then I just like trim it and I cut. It's really slim, as you can see right here. So after you cutting and make it super slim like this, it's gonna be improve a lot of speed. The reason why is Tamiya Mini 4-wheel drive don't really have a differential gearbox. So what are gonna happen is like during corner, when the car was turning, so as differential, the inner wheel versus outside wheel, so the inner wheel gonna be travel shorter and the outside wheel gonna travel longer. And but you know, due to the both wheel and the spin at same speed, one wheel gonna be losing a gravity, and in order to making better steel. And okay, right now I'm gonna put everything back together. Okay, right now I have everything assembly. So let me turn on. You can hear my gear is pretty smooth. There's no clicking, and it's just like it's just quiet. Okay, thank you for watching my YouTube channel. For next video, I'm gonna do a demonstration how to reinforce, stabilize your pink gear for the MS or MA chassis.